So if you participated in the last CBEX trading platform, and by now you should be able to see your balance reflecting as if nothing happened to the platform for a very long time now, as if nothing happened. Everything is showing normally, and the question is, how can you withdraw? Because hey, we just want to withdraw our money, we just want to take off our money, and we are no longer interested in this. So this is what is actually coming to our mind as a human being right here. So we are going to dive into this particular video on what are the updates currently and what are the stuff we can put into consideration on this particular platform. So if you actually check out, the platform is currently working just like the way it has been, and from the update I got, they said the trading is actually going to be starting again and thereabout. So this is the phishing, should I say it is phishing or something? So this is what I want us to put into action right now. Okay, if you actually log in to the former log and it's currently not working, so this is the new login details. So it is cbex29.com right here. So I'm going to add it to the description and also at the comment section of this particular video. So if you're here to see yours, you can go ahead to go. So how do you withdraw, right? So let me show you what I did recently. So I'm going to go back to my assets and move out right here. So you can see we have our withdraw options actually still showing. So at this particular site, so your money is actually going to be on trading. So I transferred some amount from trading and I took it down to exchange to actually check. So I transferred about $200 right from trading to exchange, and they took about $40 for charges based on, they said, earlier before they said if you have not doubled your money you can't currently withdraw the full capital thereabout. So I accepted and I did that. So after this, then I was able to place the withdrawal. So after you place withdrawal on the normal stuff, you are going to see it on freeze. So it came around to freeze. You can see freeze right here and it's showing at this particular point. So initially it's going to take about 30 to 1 hour for it to come in, but this is more than 2 hours now. Nothing has come up. So remember I said this is just like a test after they came up to see. So went to the Telegram account and let's check what we have. So I went to the Telegram and what I currently saw right here is that the group is now active again and many people are actually talking about what is happening on the CBEX trading platform, how can they withdraw and thereabout. So they dropped a new update and they said before you can withdraw you need to deposit an amount of, so if you have, so assuming you have less than $1,000 right, you are going to deposit an amount of $100 to be able to withdraw. But if you have above $1,000, you are going to be depositing $200 to be able to withdraw. So the question is, why do I have to deposit money from what I can't withdraw from? So okay, why can't they take the money from the total amount then leave the rest for people to keep trading and withdraw? What do you think about that? I want to know in the comment section also. And I can actually notice that some people can currently now log in due to forgetting or due to the way you forget your withdrawal password. So if you are one of those people in the category, go straight to the comment section and drop a comment. Let's see how we can currently help each other right now. But remember, I'm not a financial advice and this is for information and just for entertainment purpose only. So if you want to do anything within yourself, just make sure you do. My work is to actually see what is working and see how we can actually benefit from it all together. So this is CBEX trading platform. They are currently back, but is it back for good or back to actually do many people again, right? So one thing you need to put into consideration in this particular video, even if you can't take anything, one thing you can take from this particular video is that do not deposit any amount. It doesn't matter how we shout and how we say, many people are still going to like deposit just to be able to get. They said the withdrawal is actually going to start by June 25. So by June 25 you are expecting to see. So I'll keeping you updates about any information I get before until now till that June 25. So once I get this particular information, I'm going to share to everyone and we can all benefit from it right here. So the platform is currently still working. You can see this is the home page right here and the platform is quite back. They have a new interface, they have some upgrade, they have a lot that is currently going on right there. So this is one thing that can happen to any platform and this is how we actually started this. So If this is actually now a real scam at this particular moment, if they are here to scam again, or they are here to repay people that they currently took their money initially, remember to invest wisely. I'll see you in my next video, guys.